Hi guys, my name is Krishna and welcome back to Lotus's YouTube channel. As you have already read the title, this video is all about creating this pink flush looking skin kind of makeup look that I have created using all of the Lotus products. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see how I have created this minimal, effortless, chic kind of look. So first things first, I'm going to start off with my base, and today I'm using my favorite foundation, which is the Eco Stay Intensive Serum Foundation, and the shade I'm using is Fawn. I'm just gonna take very little because I want a very minimal look. So now that my base is set, I'm gonna go in with the concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is Eco Stay, which is the shade Nude Beige, and I'm gonna conceal my eyes. I really love this concealer because it is really nice and hydrating kind of concealer. I'm done buffing my concealer and I'm going to go in with the compact, and today I'm using Perfecting Powder from Pro Edit Silk Touch, which is from Lotus, and the shade I'm using is Cashew. Moving on to the eyes, so today I'm using the Blush Highlighter Duo, and the shade that I'm using is Adorable Soul, and this is the shade I'm going for. I absolutely love how pigmented this is, and as you can see, that has already started developing. So now that I'm done with setting my pink color, I'm going to go in with the same palette and use the highlighter shade in the inner corners. So as you can see, my eyes look pretty stunning, and I'm going to repeat the same process in my left eye as well and come back. So as you can see, my eyes look pretty amazing, subtle and classic. So I'm going to go in with the mascara. This is the Pro Edit 3-in-1 HD mascara, and I'm going to use it for my lashes. So now that my eyelash is done, I'm going to use the same palette, which is the Highlighter Blush Duo. I absolutely love how versatile this palette is, and I'm going to use it for my blush. I'm going to use the highlighter as well on the high points. And last but definitely not the least is the lipstick, and that's my favorite step. And I'm using the Lotus Lip Plumper, and the shade I'm using is Sunkissed Beige. So this is the final look that I have created using all of the Lotus products. What do you think about this look? Please do let me know in the comment section below. I have listed down all the products as well. This look is kind of perfect for everyday wear because it's chic, it's minimal, it can be worn at the beach, it can be worn at the party. You just can wear this effortless, chic and a very basic look every single day.